I want you to watch this ad real quick.
Are your lips still crusty even with chapstick? I tried everything from Sephora. Nothing worked. Every plumper burned and every gloss had...
That ad was written, cast, and produced entirely by AI in under 5 minutes. No freelancers, no agency, no editing software. Just Claude Cowork and an AI tool called Arcads, all made while I slept. And I'm about to show you how to build the exact same system for your branded dropshipping store. What's up? My name's Colin Chevy, and I'm a solopreneur based out of Toronto, Canada, running a multi-7-figure ecom brand. And I manage almost the entire thing by myself, leveraging AI to outsource tasks. I've been obsessing with AI for the past 2 years now, and during that time, I've done just over $6.7 million with my brand. I started dropshipping and e-commerce back in 2021, fresh out of university. And during that time, I was following advice from YouTube gurus who had never really owned a brand themselves. Because the reality of dropshipping is there's a lot of people out there who don't actually run brands and just teach online. So the whole point of this channel is to show you firsthand from a multi-7-figure entrepreneur what works and what doesn't. And let me tell you something, AI works. And if you're not learning how to leverage AI in your own creative process in your own brand, you're going to be left behind. Because I can almost guarantee you, your competitors don't know how to do what I'm about to show you. The truth is, it's never been this easy to start a dropshipping store from scratch, and that's all thanks to AI. So if you want to learn how to leverage AI properly in your own brand or to start a brand, and you only want to learn what actually works in the space from somebody who does it for a living, then hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be dropping videos every single month. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. If you're running any kind of ecom brand or you're just starting your first dropshipping store, you should already know the biggest bottleneck. It isn't finding winning products, although if you're new, it may feel like that. It's definitely not building your website because AI can do that all for you. It's ad creative. You need fresh ads and fresh angles constantly if you're going to be able to scale to $1 million months like I have. Meta and TikTok especially, all burn through ads very, very fast, and ad fatigue is something that every single brand has dealt with. But the good news is this is quickly becoming something of the past, all thanks to AI, all thanks to Claude Cowork and Arcads. Now, the old way of UGC ad creation and just ad strategy in general is brutal. You're either hiring micro-influencers or freelancers on Fiverr or X who take 5 to 10 days and 3 rounds of revisions to deliver something that doesn't even work, or you're paying an agency 3 to 8 grand plus per month to deliver 10 to 15 videos, half of which don't even end up scaling in your ad account. And if you're doing it yourself as a solopreneur like me, you're spending hours writing scripts, researching fresh angles, storyboarding, finding UGC creators, negotiating on rates, waiting for deliverables, and editing footage. That's a full-time job on top of actually running the operations of your business. I lived that way for the first year of running my brand. But since applying what I'm about to show you and more to my brand, a way to actually automate this entire process, my business has been able to scale faster than it ever has before. Not just the creative output, but now I get back time that I never had before to focus on everything else too. So let me show you what I built. I connected Claude, which is an AI assistant by a company called Anthropic, you should definitely know who they are by now, to a platform called Arcads. And Arcads generates ready-to-use UGC-style video ads using hyper-realistic AI actors. When you connect these together, you get an AI agent that can do basically everything. Write ad scripts based on the product brief and other briefs that you give it. Score them for quality. Match them to the right AI actors. Submit them to Arcads through the API, and deliver finished video ads directly to a folder on your laptop. You can even schedule video creation using Claude, but we'll get to that in another video. This whole system cost me about $250 to $420 per month, and it produces more usable ad creatives than any agency I've ever worked with. I'm talking hundreds of videos a month if I want them. Now, $200 to $400 a month might seem like a lot if you're new to e-com and dropshipping, but trust me, this is literal pennies when compared to the old way of making ads. I literally used to pay that same amount, $200 to $400 for one video ad from one human UGC creator. Yeah, one. So let me walk you through exactly how to set it up from scratch. All right, so for step 1, you're gonna need 3 accounts set up, so let me walk you through each one real quick. First, go to Claude AI and sign up to their Pro plan. It's $20 a month, trust me, that is a steal. I actually recommend getting their Max plan, but if you're on a budget, the Pro plan can work. Then download the Claude desktop app on your computer. Once it's installed, open it up and click the Cowork tab at the top. The Cowork feature is what lets Claude actually interact with your computer and websites. Then go over to Settings, Desktop App, General, and turn browser use on. That's how you're gonna let Claude actually open up Arcads in the browser and submit your videos automatically. Next, head to console.anthropic.com. Click API keys, create a new key, and name it whatever you want. Copy that API key immediately and save it somewhere safe, like a password saver on your laptop or on your phone, you don't want anyone touching this key. It looks something like sk/ant/API03 and then a bunch of different characters. Then head over to billing and add about 10 to 20 bucks in credits. This is pay as you go, so you only pay for what you use. Okay, so the last thing that you need to set up is arcads.ai. So go over to arcads.ai and actually sign up. You're gonna need to upgrade to the pro plan for this, which is roughly $550 US per month. But believe me, that's nothing for what this is capable of. Once you're in, go over to settings, public API, and generate your credentials. You'll get a client ID, client secret, and an authorization header. Save all three of those somewhere secure, again, a password saver or something. You don't want these getting stolen. Now here's where it starts getting fun. You're gonna head over to Claude Cowork from the desktop app on your laptop or on your computer, and you're going to ask Cowork to build your entire project structure for you. I'll just type in this quick prompt and it creates basically everything that you need. This basically just says create a folder called Vibe Ads on my desktop. Inside it, create subfolders for briefs, scripts, and videos, and then confirm when done. You're gonna wait for Cowork to confirm, and then you need to verify. So you can input this prompt next. So what files and folders are in my Vibe Ads folder on my desktop, just to make sure everything is live and ready to go. And if it lists all your subfolders, then you're all good. But if it doesn't, which is possible too, go over to settings, then desktop app, general, and make sure file access is turned on. Next, we need to create our .env file. This basically stores all of your API keys so the agent can actually authenticate automatically. So to create our .env file, we literally just need to upload this prompt inside of our Cowork, which basically, as you can see, is just giving it all of our API keys. So make sure that you take those API keys that you just had from that notes file that I told you to keep open and upload them into here. So to do this, we literally just upload this simple prompt and then enter in our API keys. Enter in your API keys here into the .env file one by one. And at the bottom of this prompt, it says save and confirm. Now next is the most important file, and this is called the CLAUDE.md file. This is basically the agent's brain. So the more information you pack into here, the better. But for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna keep things super simple. So the .md file is something like this. Because remember, you can put literally anything you need inside of here catered towards your brand, how you actually run ads, what ads you need, so on and so forth. So in this .md file, I'm telling it you are a Vibe advertising agent. You create bulk UGC style video ads using the Arcads API. You are a senior performance marketer and copywriter. Again, this is super, super simple. You can go deeper than this. In fact, I recommend that you go deeper than this because the more information you pack in here, the better it's going to perform. I also just have here script timing structure. So hook 0 to 3 seconds, then the setup 3 to 8 seconds, product reveal 8 to 15 seconds, proof 15 to 18 seconds, and then CTA 18 to 20 seconds. And then the total ad time will be 18 to 20 seconds and never go over. I then have a quality checklist. So to make sure the CTA is specific, the hook is clear in the first 3 seconds, timing matches the 20 seconds, so on and so forth, natural spoken language, the whole 9 yards. And now every time you open this project, Cowork is gonna read this .md file first and actually remember what you put in here. So just keep that in mind. Think of this as your permanent creative brief that literally never expires and that you can grow and expand on as your brand grows and expands. Okay, now next we're gonna be creating our product brief. So again, the more detail that you put in here, the better. And this is gonna change product to product and brand to brand. This is basically just a file where you tell the agent everything about your product and everything about your avatar, your customer, your target demographic, so on and so forth, right? Be specific here. Again, the more details you give it here, the better. And if you want more details on what specific SOPs I use for my briefs, DM me the word brief on IG, and that's just Colin.Chevy, by the way, on IG, and I'll help you out with that. So again, when we're creating our product brief, we're just gonna be copying and pasting this section from the guide that's down below in the description. Don't worry, I have everything here laid out for you so you can follow it with ease. And by the way, all the steps and all the prompts we'll be using in this video will be in the description below, so keep an eye out for that. And in this product brief, we're telling it to create a file called myproductbrief.md in the briefs folder in Vibe Ads on my desktop with the following information, right? So the product name, what it does, the price. So for that, I recommend putting your URL or your competitor's URL. Okay, and we're also identifying the customer because, by the way, this is the number one thing that all beginners get wrong. They focus way too much on finding a winning product and not nearly enough on who they're actually selling to, who the avatar is. So you need to pack as much possible information on your customer in here as possible so the ads come out good. So I even have in here real customer language. So you want to pull verbatim real reviews from Amazon, from Reddit, from even your competitors' ads and put them directly in here. Okay, that's going to be talking about the product. It's going to be talking about the problems that they're having with the product. It's going to be talking about the solution that the product gives them. The more context that you feed this, the better your ads are going to be. Trust me, you don't want to leave anything to interpretation. Okay, then I have here a what makes us different section. So 1 to 3 specific things, not generic things, but specific things that makes your product, makes your brand different. Basically unique selling points that the AI can use in the ads. Okay, and then last but not least here, I have ad goals and how many ads we're generating. So we have platform, Meta, TikTok, Instagram. You can put whatever platform you want to advertise on. For us, we're going to do Meta. Okay, for the goal, obviously we want purchases. You should never, ever, ever be optimizing for anything other than purchases on Meta. And then audiences, cold, warm, retargeting. So, top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. So, whichever one you want to do, or if you want to do all 3, you can include that there. And then how many ads? Again, right now we're doing 20 to start, and we're splitting that up with 8 cold, 7 warm, and 5 retargeting. Okay, and then it says here, confirm the file is saved. So we can go ahead and enter that. Now for my completed version of this, I'm actually going to be using a winning product that's doing really well right now called Peptide Lip Gloss. It's been gaining a lot of traction, and if you look this product up, there's a lot of searches for it right now. So if you want to steal this product, go ahead. It's actually a good product. Okay, so once we have all of our information in here, we can go ahead and enter that. So if you don't want to fill this out yourself, one really good way is actually to ask Cowork to comprehensively fill these in based on your blueprints you make surrounding your brand and surrounding your product. Okay, I highly recommend that you create a deep research blueprint and an avatar blueprint at least, just so you can feed Cowork enough information on your brand and your product so it actually gives you accurate ads that actually resonate with your target demographic. And you can actually make these blueprints simply by using Google Gemini's deep research tool, because it's actually able to use Google and actually scrape online forums for accurate information surrounding your niche, surrounding your avatar, and surrounding your product. But if you're lazy and you just really don't want to do that, just really make sure you're copying and pasting reviews from Amazon, Reddit threads, and your competition's Facebook and IG comments, because this really needs real, language from your customers in order to work well. Like with any ad, you need to be speaking to your avatar, speaking to your target demographic, using language that they themselves use. Because for example, if you're trying to market to, say, postpartum moms and you're using language that an 18-year-old or a 20-year-old would use, that's just not going to convert because it's not going to resonate with the right people. Therefore, the algorithm isn't going to push it to the right people. So by being specific here, we are forcing Claude and ArcAds to generate ads that will actually have a good chance of converting. And this is how we make our scripts actually feel human and not like robots. All right, now we're gonna actually run the agent. So we're gonna run another series of prompts so that the agent can actually take over. You're gonna have to paste these prompts in one at a time and wait for it to finish before you put in the next prompt. So in prompt number 1, we're gonna be confirming the brief. First, I'm gonna be telling it to read everything and give me a plan. This way I can review what it's about to do before it does anything. I can also ask it to change anything I want at this stage, so my angle, my hook, you name it. So we're just gonna copy and paste this prompt into our Cowork in here. And again, this prompt is specifically telling Claude to read my product brief and CLAUDE.md file. I'm asking it to tell me who my target customer is in 1 sentence, the top 3 pain points, recommended hook angles, and your plan for the 20 scripts. So Claude's plan for the 20 scripts. I'm telling it to not write any scripts yet, just show me the plan. This way you can actually confirm with Cowork before it does anything, okay, I want you to do this versus I don't want you to do this. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Let's move on to the next prompt. Now that I've approved the plan, I can tell it to write all 20 scripts. And this is super cool, guys. It's going to follow the exact timing structure of the CLAUDE.md file. It's gonna write in the natural spoken language of my avatar, and it's gonna score each script on the quality checklist that I gave it. Plus, it's only gonna be keeping the scripts that it's scoring a 9 or above. Okay, now in prompt number 3, I'm gonna be telling it to open ArcAds so we can actually review all of the AI actors. It's gonna filter by the demographic that best matches our customer and assign each script to the best matching actor. We basically have AGI at this point, guys. This is insane. All right, now prompt 4 is where all of the magic happens, and this is where you're gonna actually submit everything and just walk away. Go hit a workout, go walk your dog, go to sleep, whatever you wanna do. it's gonna make everything for you. So I'm just telling it here to submit everything to the ArcAds API. It's gonna send each script, it's gonna start generation, and it's gonna poll every 30 seconds until everything is done. Then it saves all the download links. Now, Cowork might say network blocked and automatically switch to the browser. That's normal, just let it run, it'll handle it. Okay, and now once everything is generated, you have one last prompt. Download all of the finished videos straight to my desktop. This one says all videos are generated, use Python to download each video directly, and then tell me when all are downloaded. Now I'm literally gonna walk away, I'm gonna go hit a workout, I'm gonna come back an hour later, and we're gonna see these 20 ready to use UGC style video ads sitting in a folder ready to upload into Meta. All right, it's been about an hour now, and I want to show you a quick breakdown of the cost of all of this, just so you can get a better idea of what you're getting into. Because honestly, this is what really hit it home for me and why I started to replace my old creative system with this new one. Right, so with a traditional agency, you're spending anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000 per month for about 15 videos, which comes out to roughly $250 to $500 per video. And not to mention revisions and just the deliverables take literally days to complete. But now, depending on what plans you actually need, with Claude plus ArcAds, I'm only paying $570 to max $1,000 per month, and that's for 50 to 100 ads plus. That's basically about $5 to $10 per video. And if I need to revise something or change something, it takes a few minutes. So I can't stress this enough for anyone who's running an e-com or dropshipping brand, especially solo like me. This isn't just gonna save you money. This is a completely different operating model that's gonna change the entirety of your brand for the better. And as AI evolves like this, it's just gonna keep getting easier and easier to make more and more money. And right now is literally the best possible time to start a drop shipping store or scale an existing e-com brand leveraging AI. Guys, this stuff is so new and yet so powerful, none of my competitors even remotely know how to do any of what I'm talking about. You don't have to be a coder anymore, you don't have to be a developer, you don't have to be technical at all. But here's the part that gives you the real unfair advantage. After your ads run for about 3 days, right, because we only ever want to be looking at a 3-day attribution window and a 7-day attribution window, you take your actual performance data, so your CPMs, your click-through rate, your cost per purchase, and you paste it right back into Claude Cowork using this prompt. So my ads have been running for 3 days. Here are my results, right? So paste in your meta ads data, CPM, CTR, cost per result, etc., etc. It doesn't have to be just soft metrics like CPMs and CTR either. You can actually put your ROAS in here too. And then based on this, which hooks perform the best, which actors perform the best, and write 10 new scripts based on what worked. So every 3 days, the system is going to get smarter. So you can actually save this information inside of the CLAUDE.md file so that the brain permanently remembers what's working and what doesn't work. And over time, it's learning what actually resonates with your target avatar and what the algorithm is actually pushing and what it's not pushing. This way, you produce better ads every single cycle. This is a feedback loop that absolutely no agency can match at this speed. And it takes you a few minutes of work at a fraction of the cost. All right, and boom, just like that, here are the 20 ads that it gave us. So as you can see, these are, they look amazing. All right, and let's choose one to see what it looks like.
Are your lips still crusty even with chapstick?
Wow.
I tried everything from Sephora, nothing worked. Every plumper burned and every gloss had weird chemicals. Then I found Peppy's Peptide Lip Gloss. All natural collagen, my lips have never felt softer or more plump. They're 70% off right now, grab one before they're gone.
Wow, that was insane. That was all made by AI when I wasn't even at my laptop. So if you're just starting AI dropshipping or you want to use this for your existing brand, I'm going to drop a link to ArcAds in the description below. And if you're just getting into e-commerce or dropshipping and you want to learn how to actually scale a real brand leveraging AI, consider hitting the subscribe button and DMing me on IG. I've wanted to start this YouTube channel for honestly over a year now, but I just never could because of the time bottleneck. But now that AI is completely taking over my brand and the world for the better, I'm going to be posting videos regularly on this channel to show you how I'm personally using AI in my 7-figure business and how you can do the same. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.